Good morning, everyone. Welcome to KARM Vidvata, an online resource hub for young women. My name is Anushka, and I'm the Senior Program and Learning Lead at KARM.
I'm Aishwarya. I am the Programs and Learning Lead at KARM.
All right, so today we'll be talking about applications. I'm sure you filled a lot of them while applying for societies, internships, or jobs, and you have a lot of questions. So we're going to try and answer some of those.
All right. Anushka, as someone who leads a need-based fellowship organization, what are the first things you notice when reviewing applications as a selector?
All right, so the first thing that I notice is authenticity. इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं उस इंसान को देखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ जिसने फॉर्म लिखा है, right? So I think one thing that all applicants should try and do is avoid using a lot of ChatGPT, and if they can just completely avoid ChatGPT, that's great, because I want to know who's writing the form, right? Yeah. So your authentic, true self should be showing across the form. The second thing that I look for is attention to detail. इसका मतलब है कि आपका ग्रामर, आपकी फॉर्मेटिंग, आप किस तरह कैपिटलाइज कर रहे हो, आप किस तरह पंक्चुएट कर रहे हो. Do review your application forms at least 2 times so that you're not, missing these mistakes in your form, right? The third thing that I look for is how well do you understand the organization. Now, if I'm applying, let's say, at a company who does manufacturing of chips, right? I just can't fill an application form without any context, blank context. I need to understand the organization, and I also need to see how my CV fits in this organization. Can I see myself working here, and what way are my skills being used or being developed in an organization like this? The last thing that I look for is the drive and ambition, and I have a very wonderful example to give here, which is of the KARM fellowship. So we always ask our applicants, what do you see yourself doing in the future, what your career plans are? And that is very important to look at, because we live in a hyper competitive world, and being planned, being ambitious is something that's always valuable to employers and to people who read your application form. So yeah, I think those are the most important things.